राधे राधे। कहते हैं बिन बुलाए कोई तीर्थ नहीं जा सकता। क्या ये सच है? अकॉर्डिंग टू मी येस। चलो बताती हूँ कैसे। वी यूजुअली प्लान ट्रिप्स एंड आई डिड प्लान वृंदावन मेनी टाइम्स एंड गॉट रिजेक्टेड एवरी सिंगल टाइम. Finally, Vrindavan called me and I went. Reaching the gullies of Braj, I was so emotional that, oh my god, is this true? But just few minutes later, I had the darshan of Banke Bihari ji. उनको देखकर I felt, oh my, I really am in Vrindavan. ना भीड़ का असर ना शोर का, बस बिहारी जी की ही चमक दिखती रह गई. We had a relative uncle who guided our entire trip and he was no less than a God sent angel for me, जिसके वजह से I could feel Radha Krishna ji so closely in Braj. बाकी बिहारी जी के बाद we visited Radha Vallabh ji who was in Sehra and the surrounding was as if there is some grand celebrations going on. After that we went to Radha Damodar, Radha Raman ji, Radha Gokulanand ji. One special thing about Radha Damodar Mandir is वहाँ की परिक्रमा. It is believed that if you do 4 परिक्रमास there, it is equal to गोवर्धन परिक्रमा. तो अगर गोवर्धन परिक्रमा नहीं कर पाओ तो राधा दामोदर टेम्पल में 4 परिक्रमा ज़रूर लगाना. We ended our first day by visiting Seva Kunj just before its closing time. And Seva Kunj is my most favorite place of Braj. I felt extreme peace and love over there. I felt like just sitting over there and feel the divine presence of Radhesham in my life. Next day started with Nidhivan around 5 am, where you can see the pujaris open the multiple locks and show you half-eaten laddus, pan, datun and all. Or you can visit anytime through the day. This place has very powerful energy, cause Nidhivan and Seva Kunj are the places where Ras Leela happens every day till today. Day 2 actually started by visiting Kishori ji at Barsana Mahal, and the vibes of this place is so joyful. Everyone around just keeps saying Radhe Radhe, Pani chahiye Radhe Radhe, Kheer le lo Radhe Radhe. They see Radha Rani in every girl there. Such is the love for Radha Rani over there. We then went to Ter Kadam, a place where Goswamis used to chant Harinam. One Bihari Manch is the place where Kanha used to bring all his cows and play with his friends. We then went to visit Vrinda Devi temple followed by Nandgaon. Entering Nandgaon, you do get the feels of little Krishna ji being the little king over there and commanding gopis and playing with them. Third day was Govardhan Parikrama. We were a big group, so we did it in rickshaw this time and saw like Mansi Ganga, Dhan Ghati, Kusum Sarovar, and then ended our parikrama at Radha Kund, Sham Kund. राधा कुंड के जल को स्पर्श करते ही मानो मेरा मन शांत हो गया. सच इज द मैजिक ओवर देयर. राधा कुंड श्याम कुंड की Our last day we started early morning by visiting Krishna Balram temple, that is ISKCON Vrindavan, and participated in Melodies Kirtan. We went to Gokul, Chaurasi Khambe, Ukhalband, Leela Sthali, ब्रह्मांड घाट, जहाँ श्री कृष्ण ने यशोदा मैया को पूरे ब्रह्मांड के दर्शन कराए थे अपने मुंह के अंदर. Then we went to one of the fun places of Vrindavan, which is Raman Reti, जहाँ श्री कृष्ण अपने सखाओं के साथ खेला करते थे. It is believed that if you go there, you should definitely roll over there like a kid. रमन रीति ऐसी जगह है जहाँ हर दिन एक एलिफेंट राधा कृष्ण जी की आरती में पार्ट लेता है and rings the bell during evening aarti. We then went to Krishna Janmabhoomi, the prison house where Krishna Bhagwan born हुए थे, the place which is extremely quiet till today, and you cannot stand there for more than 10-15 seconds. After this we went to Radha Raval, the only temple जहाँ आप राधा रानी के बाल रूप का दर्शन कर सकते हो. It is one of the most cute forms of Radha Rani. Apart from this main things, we also visited Bansivat, Madan Mohan Temple, Madhuvan and so on. While my trip ended in 4 days, the beautiful memories remain intact in my heart till today. This trip gave me extreme love for Radharani, or should I say this trip, she blessed me with her mercy. So if you're planning, here's a simple flow of the temples you can visit in a day. Or you can ask the Brajvasis and they'll guide you with your day's plan. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Also, have you visited Vrindavan or are you planning to anytime soon? Let me know in the comments below. Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe.